let's get into it. Bunny breathing. Yes, you heard that correctly. Bunny breathing. We are going to do this new type of breath work that's new to me, and I have to share it with you. So make sure you're comfortable. And I'm sitting on my lovely bolster. You can cross your legs if you would like. Or you put one leg on top of the other. Place the hands on top of the thighs. Relax your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Good. So with bunny breathing, how it works is you're going to think of yourself like it says a bunny or a rabbit, right? And when they breathe, allegedly, it's breathing in through the nose. So we breathe in 3 times, okay? Through your nostrils. Use both of the nostrils, okay? So we breathe in through the nose 3 times, like hold it, then out through the mouth. Good. So now that you're familiar with that, let's do that again. 3 times in, out through the mouth. Good. We're gonna add to this, all right? Gonna add to it. If you've done breath work with me already, you know I'm always saying expand the belly. I want you to push the belly out, okay? So now when you do the breathing, the 3 breaths in, each breath in, you're gonna push the belly out, okay? So here we go. In, push the belly out, in, push the belly out, in, push the belly out. Hold, out through the mouth. And the belly comes in. So let's do that again. In through the nose, expand the belly, in through the nose, expand the belly, in through the nose, expand the belly, hold it, out through the mouth, belly comes in. Good, we're gonna do this a few more times. In through the nose, let's do that again. Gently open your eyes. Noticing how you feel, checking in with yourself. I'm so proud of you for doing that bunny breath, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day, evening, sleep, wake up, whatever it is. It's gonna be great because you came here and you poured into yourself. If you have kiddos, I encourage you to do this with your kiddos as well.